You know how most conversations feel like they never get past small talk? We live in the most connected age in history, but most people still feel disconnected. Why? Because real conversations are disappearing.
That's why we created the Heart-to-Heart Conversation Cards. They're 200 prompts designed to take you past the weather and work updates into the kinds of conversations that matter. This deck is built on more than 10 years of research into how conversations shape leadership, trust, and belonging, the foundation of the i4NeuroLeader methodology.
And we made two versions. The i4NeuroLeader deck, amazing for families, friends, teams, coaches, even new couples. And the Elephant in the Room deck, made for established couples who want to go deeper, including intimacy.
It only takes one card to change the way you connect. So don't wait for someday. Start your heart-to-heart conversations today.